First, the big story here in the U.S., another disappointing report on inflation as prices unexpectedly rose in August and remain near a 40-year high. The Consumer Price Index for August was up 8.3% compared to 1 year ago as the cost of almost everything keeps going up. Wall Street reacted with a major sell-off, with the Dow and S&P 500 suffering their worst day since June of 2020. The tech-heavy NASDAQ dropped more than 5%. Well, we've got a lot of news to get to tonight, and CBS's Nancy Cordes will start us off from the White House. Good evening, Nancy.
Good evening, Nora. Today's report dashed hopes that inflation had officially peaked and was on its way down. Instead, the prices of nearly all goods actually crept up, and wages can't keep pace.
Government figures confirmed what most consumers already sense. Inflation isn't easing. Groceries up 13.5% since last year. Electricity up 15.8%. Car repairs up 9.1%. Rent up 6.7%. The bottom line, according to Moody's, the average household is spending $460 more a month to buy the same goods and services as last year.
Just a catastrophically high inflation rate.
That rate sent stocks tumbling today. The S&P sank by more than 4% as the markets braced for more interest rate hikes from the Federal Reserve in a bid to cool the economy.
The reason is clear. The Fed is much more concerned about prices right now than it is about the labor market.
Typically, lower gas prices bring down the cost of other goods. But so far, that hasn't happened, even though the average price of a gallon of gas fell 26 cents in the past month.
I will not make as much as I was hoping to.
Robin Fields runs a toffee company near Chicago. Ingredients are her biggest expense.
For example, butter and chocolate increased anywhere from 8 to 15%. And it doesn't look like it's going down any. It's just my butter just keeps going up.
And while President Biden celebrated the new Inflation Reduction Act today, many of the law's health and energy savings do not kick in until next year or beyond.
We're making progress. We're getting other prices down as well, but we have more to do.
A new U.S. Census survey revealed today that income inequality hit a new record last year. But there was one bright spot, Nora. It also found that childhood poverty was nearly cut in half last year, thanks to COVID-19 stimulus payments and an expanded child tax credit.
Nancy Cordes at the White House. Thanks very much.